Hi, my name is Yuriy Kolesnichenko. I'm a sonologist from Moscow, Russia, and this is a lecture about sonography of the thymus. Thymus located behind the sternum, so probe place it in a suprasternal position. We obtain transverse and sagittal views and measure 3 diameters for each lobe for volume calculation, width, height and thickness. Then we calculate volume of each lobe by ellipse formula and sum these volumes to thymic volume. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.